I love you, Daddy.
Josie, can you say I love you, Daddy?
Hey.
Hey. How about a kiss for Daddy? Can you blow Daddy a kiss? Penny, can you blow Daddy a kiss? Okay. Okay, let her go.
Oh.
Brrr. Hey.
Okay.
Good job. Good job, Penny.
I picked her up so she could go.
You put her up so she could go? That was very good of you. Good job.
And she might take my bumper, but she might not bear my mind. Now,
That makes sense.
I have to get down.
Okay.
I put this back on so that she doesn't roll off the bed, so that she doesn't put her head on this book.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Will you put away
Yes, I will.
so that she doesn't put her head on this book?
Yes, I will put that book away so Josie doesn't bump her head on it.